Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. In this video, I am going to explain the important 2 points from evolution, gene flow and genetic drift, which are key mechanisms responsible for changes in populations over a time. Let us start with gene flow. Gene flow is also called as gene migration. It is movement of genes or alleles from one population to another population due to migration. Let us understand it with example. Here I have shown population A of rabbit and population B of another type of rabbits. If there is migration from population A to population B, it will lead to random mating between these two populations, and result of this random mating will be reproduction of different types of rabbits which have new alleles introduction. This is called as gene flow. These are some important characteristics of gene flow. Gene flow occurs when individuals migrate and interbreed. It introduces new alleles. It increases genetic variation, and it can prevent speciation by reducing differences between population. Now, what happens if gene flow stops? If population stops interbreeding, there will be no exchange of genes. Each population evolves independently. So differences starts increasing. So over a time, these populations become so different that they cannot interbreed anymore, leading to the formation of new species, the process known as speciation. So this is all about gene flow. Now let us start understanding genetic drift. Genetic drift is defined as random changes in allele frequencies due to chance event, especially in small populations. Let us understand it with example. Here I have shown small population of beetles, in which yellow colored beetles are around 40% in generation 1. If there will be genetic drift in this small population, due to genetic drift, if there is loss of yellow population, it will result into reduced population of yellow beetles to 5%. It is due to genetic drift. This example shows that allelic frequency changes drastically due to genetic drift. Genetic drift shows 4 important characteristics. The first one is genetic drift is random, that is non-directional. Second characteristic is strong effect in small population than that of large population. Third is genetic drift can lead to loss of alleles. And the fourth one is it can lead to reduced genetic variation. Now let us understand types of genetic drift. Genetic drift mainly occurs in two ways. First one is founder effect. The founder effect is a small group separates from a larger population and starts new population. This new population has different allele frequencies. For example, population on isolated islands. Second type of genetic drift is bottleneck effect. In the bottleneck effect, a population size is suddenly reduced due to disasters like volcanoes, flood or earthquake. The remaining individuals have limited genetic variation. For example, population reduction due to natural calamities. Here in this table, I have summarized 3 important mechanisms of evolution: natural selection, gene flow and genetic drift.